Okay, so today we're going to be talking about sperm production and how it's created. So, first we have some just kind of anatomy to go over. So, we have kind of the primary structures up here, which is the pair testes, and then the rest are kind of the accessory structures to kind of help create the sperm. So, here is just kind of an overview of the pathway with the different glands. Something important to know is that all these structures are lined with smooth muscle that helps to propel sperm wherever it needs to go, kind of down the pathway. So, as we move to a bit more specifics, here is kind of a closer look. So, um, it is kind of important to start. Um, at the seminiferous tubules. That's where they are um, getting a little bit more mature. It's kind of where they start. We see that that's kind of right here. And so in that seminiferous tubules, I'll write that. So they're differentiated. That means that they're like committed to becoming sperm, but not fully matured. So they can't swim like on their own yet or fertilize anything. And then they move to the reed testes, which is right here. So they kind of move into here. And here they can swim and they're almost mature, but not quite. And then up here at the epididymis, they move out here into the epididymis, and that's where they are um, fully mature now. And so here is kind of a good pathway. So they form in the seminiferous tubules, go to the reed testes, go to the efferent ductules, the epididymis, and then the vas deferens. And looking a little closer here, we have some specific cells that it's important to take note of. So we have our LH, which is a endocrine hormone, and here it acts on to the Leydig cells. So these Leydig cells sit outside um, the seminiferous, oops, the seminiferous tubules, and they secrete testosterone. And so this is important because it drives the spermatogenesis or the creation of sperm. 'Cause it needs testosterone to be able to like differentiate and develop. And so that's kind of what allows that to do that. So as we move down here to our Sertoli cells, these just aid in the new development of the cells. And I write down here that Sertoli cells are an endocrine cell that secrete hormones to drive sperm development. And so we see down here um, that once they are these cells, the spermatogonium, they're triggered by Sertoli cells. Oops. Triggered by Sertoli cells. And that's what causes it to start differentiating. And then they move up and differentiate more until they become sperm and they kind of develop on their own then. And yeah.